In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom frames in Canva. Custom frames can elevate your design game, adding a unique touch to your projects, whether you're working on social media, graphics, invitations, or presentations. So let's dive right in and explore this creative process together. To begin, we need to find the Frame Maker tool within Canva. Once you're logged into your Canva account and have opened a new project or your existing design, look around for the section titled Frames. This feature is key for customizing the look and feel of your visuals. Frames in Canva act like containers for your photos, allowing you to mask images into specific shapes. The Frame Maker tool offers more advanced capabilities to ensure your designs are personalized to your liking. Next, get creative by dragging the bullet border to craft your custom frame design. This step is where your inventiveness truly shines. By clicking and dragging, you can manipulate the size and shape of your frame, creating something that perfectly fits your design vision. Whether you're aiming for a classic rectangle or an elaborate custom shape, the flexibility to adjust as you see fit makes this tool an artist's delight. Take some time to experiment with different angles, curves, and dimensions. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to compose your frame, it's entirely up to your creative expression. Once you've tailored your frame to your satisfaction, it's time to incorporate it into your actual design. To do this, simply click on Add to Design. This simple action embeds your newly crafted frame seamlessly into your canvas, ready for you to drop in photos or other graphic elements. This step is essential because it turns your frame from a mere idea into a tangible part of your digital artwork. As your frame becomes part of the design, consider how it pairs with your current layout. You might want to adjust the other elements slightly to maintain harmony and balance in your composition. Custom frames are not just functional, they're a strategic part of your visual story. Ensure they complement rather than overpower the other components of your design. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make custom frames using Canva. By utilizing the Frame Maker, experimenting with design, and integrating your final frame into your project, you enhance the visual appeal and individuality of your work. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it inspires you to try new things in your own projects. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Thank you for watching and happy designing.